welcome back to the channel. It's me, Brick Trapping, and today we're taking a look at set number 76923 at 230 pieces. The LEGO Speed Champions Lamborghini Lambo V12 Vision Gran Turismo. That was a mouthful. So this is my very first Speed Champions review. I don't normally actually go for the cars. I don't really have a whole lot of space for them. But my beautiful girlfriend, the Salty Brick, got this for me a couple of days ago. And I put this thing together very fast and was super excited about it. So I really love the color on this car. I like how the wheels look. All around, it's a pretty cool vehicle. Taking a look at the back side of the box, it just gives us some different angles. And then we get a real life shot of this car, which is always cool to see. Of course, we get a top and rear view of the vehicle. Now, something kind of odd, on the side of this box, we get a hollow sticker that says Automobili Lamborghini, and then it says official product. So, I don't know what that means. I wish I knew what that means. I don't know if this just means it's a branded Lamborghini product, which, I mean, it is. It does say Lamborghini on there. But I wonder if this is just an actual Lamborghini-like product from LEGO. So, that's pretty cool. It is. I think she got this at Target. So, if you want this car, just pick it up at Target. So, another cool thing is I've already built this set. You can kind of tell in there that I've got this thing built. The coolest thing about this set, and I'll go ahead and show you, is for years I have been reading this page in all of my LEGO manuals, is the Lego.com sustainable packaging, and it says we're switching from plastic to paper-based packaging. That's why you might find a mix of paper and plastic in our boxes. So I've only had this happen to me twice. The first time was when I built the Concorde. The actual plastic cockpit piece was in a little itty-bitty paper bag. And then my sail barge over there, it had some paper packaging. I think it was the sails. I can't remember exactly. But this came with 100% paper bags. I have never seen that. This is my very first set. It's one of the reasons I wanted to do a review on this set. But yeah, you see that Powell paper bag. This is the very first time. It was super exciting. There are negatives to that. So it was cool that it's finally happened to me that, you know, we're switching over from the plastic to the paper because it is more sustainable. However, I found it a little harder to open the bags, and I feel like the pieces got stuck in the bag a little more. So maybe that's just a little bit of inexperience from, you know, a lifetime of building out of plastic bags and going to paper and just not being used to it, and different techniques to get all the pieces out in one go. I don't like that the bags aren't translucent, or kind of you can see into them a little bit, you know, that they're just paper, so it's just, you know, they're very opaque. So one thing positive about the plastic is that you can make sure that there are no pieces left, while in this, you know, you have to really open the side of the packaging and like look at all the nooks and crannies to make sure you got everything. So I wanted to share that part personally because that was really exciting for me to get a vehicle, a box, LEGO set, however you like to say it, with all paper packaging. So without further ado, here is our Lamborghini Lambo V12, and wow, it is a stunner. So I've built a couple of these other Speed Champions ones, like the Aston Martin from James Bond, and this thing is tiny. I was expecting it to be a little bigger, but wow, the actual curves on this vehicle are absolutely amazing. I mean, I think it hits everything right. I've never seen the car in person, so I wouldn't know, but I mean, it is crazy. Apparently there's a V12 engine in here, super fast, and the way to get into this thing is it has a little cockpit piece. It slides up, or excuse me, folds up, and then this comes out, and then you get your driver. And funny enough, it is a female. I wasn't expecting that when I was building the set, but let me find the hairpiece that comes with her. Yeah, I put it into my spare minifigure parts because I don't plan on using it. But she's blonde, has a cool little ponytail there. That sounded kind of weird about calling it female. I just wasn't expecting it. Like I said, I'm not used to these vehicle ones. So I thought it was like just be a black headpiece, like a random figure, not an actual driver. So that's, you know, my mistake if I said that kind of weird. But yeah, so another weird thing about this is if you look inside of here, there's no real seat. It's like a little bed. You know, you see the bottom of there. It's these two little angle pieces that are sideways as the... Ooh, that popped off there. We'll figure that out in a minute. But yeah, that gives her room to just sit there. So yeah, she just lays down and put her arms down where they'll actually fit. It looks like it locks her in place like she's laying down. So I worked through the card to where the minifigure is in there, but it is very odd all around. So let's get that piece back on there. I think it just pops right back down. So yeah, so that is our Lambo. I mean, like I said, this isn't a really cool looking car. You know, I don't really have any complaints about it. I'm going to put this in my office at work because, you know, my girlfriend bought it for me. So it'll be a nice little treasure to keep. Negatives about this set. Like I said, the car is cool. But something I've noticed with these Speed Champion cars is that there are a ton of stickers. I think there was like 30-something stickers in here. I mean, you know, to me, for a 230-piece set, you should blow through this very quickly. And without this one, you can't really do that because, I mean, every couple pages, you're putting 3 or 4 stickers on. So that was a little unfortunate for me. But like I said, it's still overall a good set. So I'm going to rank it a solid 7.5 out of 10. It got extra brownie points because it has that little first paper bag set for me personally. But yeah, I think this is an overall good set. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.